Hi friends, welcome to my channel Fitness Solution by Shipon. Today I share some tips for start your exercise. The exercise divided into three parts: warm-up exercise, main exercise, and cool down or recovery exercise. Today I give you some information about stretching and warm-up exercise, upper body and lower body, full stretch, and now follow me step by step. I give you full information for stretching, because if you do regularly your exercise, you must stretch your body, and if you stretch your body before starting exercise, you don't fall into any injuries like as muscle cramp, strain, etc. So now first you start your stretching and warm up exercise from your hand and upside. First cat stretch and up, then left full stretch, then right full stretch, then front, and bend your body slowly, and then back your body full, and now start your hand exercise, hand stretching, palm inside outside. First left hand and change outside inside. Take every exercise minimum 5 or 10 seconds and every stretching. And now lock your elbow and turn right and look left. Then change your hand, right hand, straight, turn, change, outside inside, and lock your elbow and turn left and look right. Then change. Now you start your head exercise. First neck bending. So first left side you start left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Now front and back, front, back, front, back, front, back. And now press left, right, front, back, pressing. Now just start left press, right press, front press, and back press. Now neck twisting, left and right. Neck twist, first left. This way your neck muscle will be developed and will be very soft. Day by day you can do this, and your blood circulation will be increased if you do this exercise. Change, again change, again change. Okay, finish. finish your head exercise. Now your arm exercise. Hand side to side first, then you change another one. So now start from the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now stand both hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now shoulder exercise, shoulder circling, shoulder circling, front to back, back to front. Now back to front. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now front to back. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now arm circling. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Front to back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now finish. Now we go here, hip exercise, hip rotation, clockwise and anti-clockwise. Now first clockwise, hip rotation and anti-clock. Yeah. Thank you. Now you stretch your legs, leg part. Now left leg forward, right leg straight, below the ground and body straight, and left leg knee bend. So full stretch. Okay, change. Right leg. Now change left side, groin muscle stretch, groin. Now change another leg. Change. So half squat position. Toe touch, full stretch. Now we are doing cardiovascular exercise for warm your body. So cardiovascular exercise, start slowly jogging and day by day, and every day you can do this, and your cardio will be developed. Now front, back, left, right, and another place, and clockwise, anti-clockwise, quick. That's all. Thank you very much for watching my videos and follow this. If you do this, you can do better and better physical exercise, and stretching and warm-up exercise very important before starting your exercise. Thank you.